In this video, we're installing spark plugs. Starting with the driver's side, remove airbox and intake pipe to get access to the rocket cover. Airbox, you want to unplug your MAF sensor and undo this bracket. There's another 10mm bolt down there, we want to undo that, and then we can pull it all out. And take hose out, off, just undo the hose clamps, pull it all out. And then we can get access to our coil packs. So one here, and one just down there. So coil pack 1, coil pack 2, for the driver's side. The coil packs are out, and our spark plugs are ready to come out. So this is the setup I'm using. A spark plug socket with a small extension. And we're just going to go in first, place it in, and we want to get it in there before we put a ratchet on there. Let's have it in there just like that. And then we can get our ratchet on. Flexi head ratchet is going to be the best. It's hard to do this with one hand filming and so we just want to start undoing it until it becomes loose. If we go too far, we won't be able to get the ratchet out. Once it's loose, pull the ratchet out. We can just go in by hand. And we can just start winding out the spark plug just by hand. There we go, spark plug out. And then for going back in, we just want to set it up in our socket and start screwing it in by hand. You want to make sure we go in straight, you never cross the B's. Same process for the one at the back, and then we can put it all back together and go to the other side. For the passenger side, we're just going to remove the battery, and that will give us access to our rocket cover. This ducting here from the vacuum pump should just be able to undo this clamp and then swivel it up and out of the way, because there's our coil packs there, one, the front one, and there's one at the back, which is hard to see. So that's the vacuum pump off, and now we have access to our coil packs. 12mm bolts, and then same sort of thing as the other side. Coil packs out. I did find the rearmost one a bit tricky to get out. What I did was pull it out and then turn it 180 around, and then I was able to wiggle it out the top. Now, same as the other side, short extension, 16mm spark plug socket, and then just remove and replace, and then coil packs back in. Just the vacuum pump going back on. Just pulled up out of the way before, so it's just like that. You get this hose back onto here. That's a bit of a wiggling and bending. And once we've got it sitting on there, we can push our clamp. We can just get our hose clamp and doing that. So that's what it looks like all pushed in. this wiring harness clips into a little bracket, like so, and we have a little 10mm bolt that goes into here. And then we can fill all that up, battery back in, and we can start her up. All back together now, ready to start her up. These are the old plugs. 60,000 kilometers on this car. Looking pretty old and grungy. I'll probably change them more frequently than 60,000. I might aim for every 20,000 just because with the future mods that I do, it's going to put more strain on these spark plugs. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications for more videos.